Hi guys, my best friend Ancho, and I'm gonna do her makeup today. We're gonna do a super bronze look, kind of like Meghan Markle's. Okay, I'm gonna use Clinique's Dramatically Different lotion to moisturize her face. I'm just gonna use the back of this sponge. Okay, I'm gonna clip her hair out of the way as well. I'm gonna go in with Maybelline's Fit Me Foundation in shade 220. I'm just gonna dot it all over her face. She doesn't really have, never mind, she does. Sorry, I saw it in the viewfinder and like, I will color correct her under eyes. Just give me a second. I'm just gonna take it down on the neck as well. With a blending brush. Actually, sorry, I'm gonna color correct first. I'm gonna use True Fiction's Orange Color Corrector. Look up. And then I'm gonna put it around her mouth as well. As Indian girls, we get dark around our mouth. It looks like we have a mustache, but we don't.
Wow.
So the orange will take away from any green that she has under her eyes. And now I'm going to take a foundation brush.
Oh, but I have green.
So our under eyes are blue or green. So then orange is like on the color wheel, orange and blue are opposites. And they cancel each other out. Since she wants a super bronze look, I'm going to go in with Toast by LA Girl. It's their Pro Concealer. It's going to contour her face. So blend that in with the Beauty Blender again, or the Real Techniques one. And I'm going to put concealer on. This is Creamy Beige by LA Girl as well. Okay. Okay, so I put concealer all over her face, under her eyes, in her T-zone area, and on her chin. I'm just going to blend it in with the Real Techniques blender. Okay. Okay. And I'm going to set her foundation and concealer with this Fit Me powder in shade 20. It's light medium. Okay. And we're going to bake with this powder.
As well?
Mm-hmm. Eyes, I'm going to be using Soft Ochre Paint Pot by MAC to prime her eyelids. I'm going to be using just a flat synthetic brush. Right there. Go through. It's Soft Ochre Paint Pot. It's I'm just gonna prime my eyelids before putting eyeshadow in.
It's a gel.
It's kind of like a cream eyeshadow. Today I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Nude Rich. And I might use the Androgyny palette as well from Jeffree. So there's that. This is what it looks like. It's a super bronze palette. We also have the Jeffree Androgyny, and this has a few bronze shades as well. And that one right there. Okay. To start off with, I'm going to take a blending brush. This one right here. And I'm going to take this shade. I think it's, oh, these don't have shade names. It's a good transition shade.
What's a transition shade?
So it's anything that you put into here, into your crease, so that when you put another layer here, it can blend really nicely, and it helps transition the colors. Do you want a matte look, or do you want any of these colors? Like, I feel like that
I want the wet look, like the bronzy wet look. Is that a thing?
Sure, I guess. Yeah, why not? This Too Faced Gingerbread Cookie Palette, and there's a shade called Gingerbread Cream. I'm going to be using that one instead. It is a lighter shade, so it'll add a highlight there. Okay, now I'm going to go with this dark chocolate brown right here, and I'll put that into the outer V. Then we have this Huda Beauty, this one right here, I don't know what it's called. Close your eyes. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the shade, color, and just put it in there. Eyebrows. We're going to be using the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit in the shade 4.5. You good?
Mm-hmm.
So I'll blend the color in. Slowly.
You know why it's called a spoolie?
No. I feel like you're gonna tell us.
No, I'm not.
Okay, why is it called a spoolie?
I'm gonna just leave it as it is. People are gonna wonder.
Tell us in the comment section below. Okay. Did your brows, eyeliner. We're going to be using Pink Orchid Studios Lit Liner today. This is supposed to be smudge proof, dolly proof.
Dolly?
Yeah, so you know girls cry on their dolly?
Is that a thing? Dolly
Yeah.
proof?
Dolly, yeah, that's what they call it.
Excuse me, guys.
This is hard, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna do go back to her face, and then I'm gonna do lashes and mascara all in the end.
Okay.
So we're gonna go in with the Smashbox contour kit, and I think this is light medium as well.
Have you used this?
Yeah, I use the spoolie end of it. So this is like almost done, but I'm gonna use the contour shade. I'm gonna contour her cheeks. Okay, slap. Just gonna go into here, so like the hollows of her cheeks. Step here a bit. Yeah, I don't care if she thinks she's ugly, it's okay. It's just how I am, okay? I don't remember if I put something down here. I don't think I did.
Probably did.
It's okay, we'll just double it. This is to make your double chin look smaller, so.
Okay, then put a lot.
Yeah, I'm doing it. Now I'm gonna use this bronzer, the middle one. I'm just gonna bronze everything with a fluffy big brush. We'll use this one.
That one.
You don't need anything. Your nose is pointy. We're just gonna do it for fun.
It's pointy?
Yeah.
I don't even know these things.
Like, okay, look that way. Like, you have a pointy nose. Okay, look up. Let me take the bake off now. Oh, you look good in there.
Way in there.
Yeah. I'm gonna take this Stila Glitter and Glow and put it in her inner corner. It's in the shade Eternal. Close your eyes. This brush right here. Hey, yeah, pay attention. I will fire you. Smile. I'm gonna take some Becca highlighter in Opal.
In what?
Opal. Okay, I'm just gonna take this nudish shade in Cher. It's the Gerard Cosmetics lip pencil. Okay. You should put your own mascara. Actually, no, you suck at this. She only does like, you know how you're supposed to put a mascara at like the bottom of the lash? She puts it on the top only.
Oh, I put it on the bottom too.
Then why do my lashes look better than yours?
Because you have nicer lashes.
No, your lashes are nicer than mine.
I don't know.
See? Okay, close your eye. By the way, like, okay, so like, when you upload something and stuff, like, you get a lot of hate and stuff, will you be okay with that?
Oh, fuck. No, I wouldn't.
Fuck, you're already an insecure piece of shit, right? No way. It's okay, we'll only give it to, like, our friends.
Okay,
It's just because it'll be private. But our friends are assholes too.
You're my friend.
Okay, to change the battery again. Hey, don't do that. Your makeup's gonna come off on me. Okay, close your eyes. I feel like these lashes are... Okay, anything that you want to fix?
No.
You like it?
Mm.
Like everything?
Yeah.
Okay, should we say bye and stuff?
Oh, what about my hair?
Oh, you want to do that?
I mean, let's open it.
Oh, okay. Should we do like a... What does Meghan Markle do with her hair? It's always open. It's always like a side part too. It's exactly like you. Oh my god, you are Meghan Markle! Here, we'll comb it out so it looks pretty. Dude, her hair is so soft. I can't even, girl.
Feeling too good.
Sure. You want a fishtail?
They actually look really nice.
Mm. There's the fishtails with 2, when you hold 2 strands of hair instead of 3. And then you keep putting hair over from one side to the other. Until his layers, that probably won't look as good.
We can curl these.
Do you want to?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Guys, be careful when using curling wands. I burnt myself. Can you guys see? That's disgusting, right?
Yeah.
Right. I showed everyone. Okay. Like that, or do you want more? I like
This
it.
is nice, yeah.
Okay. I really like it. Okay, so I think this is the final look, guys. I'm gonna show the back.
Okay.
So this is a fishtail braid. Here, let me like loosen it up a bit so it looks prettier. And then I curl these 2 strands here. And that's the final look. Close your eyes. Okay, let me do a close up.
Bye! Thanks for watching! I'll comment like idea.
Okay. Hi. I thought we'd be much more funny on.
I
Literally so awkward right now.
I feel like we're being really professional.
Like, you're my best friend. Like, we
I
can,
know.
we can be weird. We're really weird together.
It's your career, okay? I don't want to miss anything.
Not too.
I'm tired.
We're doing what?
Looking at myself.
Okay, don't look at me. No.
I don't think I subscribed to you yet.
Yeah, what kind of best friend are you? It's not though, the same.
You're not gonna get famous now.
It's not. The Huda Beauty one's better. But it's like, it takes 3 days to come off, dude, like completely. That's why I'm not using that one on her.
Thanks.
Okay, close your eyes.
Here.
Actually, doesn't have a really big forehead, so I'm not gonna be putting up like too much. I'm sorry, what? Her forehead is like, it's not like, you know, a 5 head. Because normal girls that can fit 4 fingers have a bigger forehead. Can you fit 4 fingers there? No, you can't. I can. Okay. Well, I can fit 5 there too, girl. No, my forehead's bigger than yours. Okay, look. Look at my forehead, bigger forehead. Wait, come here. Mine's big. Mine's big. You don't have a small forehead. Okay, look at this part. So, yeah, that's something. I don't have a small forehead. Sorry, you don't have a big forehead. Look at this part right here. Like this part. Yeah, there's no room. Like, I can't put bronzer in here. Oh, is that? Can I put it in yours? No, you can. We're good. Yeah, we're the same. It's like a piece of shit.
Dude, you made me look so pro. I
I got that.